Ma'am, now your screen is coming.
Yes, students, now I'm able to share the screen properly. There was some problem. I was not able to share my screen. 1 minute I'm giving you. Everybody, please scan this. All of you, please scan this very quickly. This is cancellation of order. If anyone has any doubt in this type of a letter, please raise your hand. Please, we'll go one by one systematically. Okay, this type of letter, that is cancellation of order. If anyone has any doubts, any queries about cancellation of order letter, please raise your hands. Okay, very quickly, let us revise. Akash is there. Akash, good
Yes,
morning.
good morning, ma'am.
Akash, let us start revising. The name of the school is going to be our school, SR International School, Bareilly. So how will you write the address? Extreme left, beta. Start.
We will write SR International School, ma'am. S capital, R capital, I capital, and S capital of school. And
Very,
then we will write
very good. Mm-hmm. Then
Bareilly and the pin code.
Bareilly and the pin code. So in Bareilly, all capitals, all small, how will you write?
B capital.
Only B capital. Too good. Excellent. Very well done. Okay, let's move on to Akshat now. Okay, he will help us. Akshat, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Beta, write today's dates.
Ma'am, today's date is 9th October, comma 2020.
9th October 2020. Very good. Akshat has given us the perfect way to write a date. Now, Ananya will tell us there is another way of writing the date. Ananya, please tell, how do we write the date in the other way? See, Akshat said 9th October, comma 2020. There is another way of writing, Ananya. How?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can write October 9, then comma 2020.
Excellent. October 9, comma 2020. Then we don't have to use T and H. Very, very good. Let's move on to Ansh now. Ansh, the next
Good
thing
morning,
you're
ma'am.
writing, good morning, dear. You're writing to the manager ABC Sons, ABC Sons, Bareilly. So how will you write the address? What is the first thing that you'll write? And she'll tell us what is the first thing that we will write. We are writing to ABC Sons.
Ma'am, the manager ABC Sons.
The
Then
manager ABC.
address, then pin code.
Do we need to write the address or simply the name of the city?
Ma'am, name of the city.
Name of the city.
I,
And then the pin code. Perfect?
yes,
Very good. Too
yes,
good. The manager, ABC Sons, Bareilly, and pin code. There is no need to write the entire address. That is not needed. Let's move on to the next person. That is Anshika Singh.
Good
Anshika, it
morning,
is
ma'am.
your turn. Good morning, dear. Anshika, tell us what will we write next.
Ma'am, we'll write the subject. That is cancellation of order, then its order number.
Cancellation of order, and it is order number.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose we had ordered for some sports equipment and they've not been delivered on time, so we are canceling this order. So this Anshika has already given us the subject, cancellation of our order number this, and we want to cancel this order because they were not delivered on time and they are sports items. So Anshika has already given us this. Let's move on to the next child. Aradhya, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Bache, what will be the first paragraph?
Ma'am,
First line. What should be the first
ma'am,
sentence of the
ma'am, first paragraph, first we will inform them that the order is not given on the date we have given the date on the given date,
hmm.
and
And
then
we are missing out on something. Something we are missing out there.
yes,
Anyways, let's
ma'am.
move on to the next child. Never mind, never mind. Keep listening. Ariba is
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Ariba, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ariba, you tell me what will we write in the first paragraph?
Ma'am, we will mention the date on which we have placed the order and the
Excellent.
time limit by which we expected the order to be delivered.
Very good. The date when we had ordered and the expected date when we wanted it to be delivered. Now, Ayush Gupta is going to help us. Ayush, frame the sentences, what she has said. Take dates of your choice, any date that you had ordered, and when it was decided that you'll be delivering. Ayush, are you there? Ayush, good morning. Ayush Gupta. See, if you don't respond, children, I'll remove you from the meeting. It is no point that you're attending the meeting if you are not answering only. Ayush Gupta is not there. Devansh. Devansh, are you there? Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Devansh, frame the first sentence. I mean, first paragraph. Two things just now Ariba told you what we have to write. Right, please. Make the first paragraph. Just now Ariba told you what has to be done. Give the order date. When did you order? And when was the order expected to be delivered? Mention that. That is what we need to do, children. I hope everybody knows. Just now Ariba told us what all things have to be taken. So now Devansh is going to give us the paragraph. Devansh, are you ready? Devansh, you are ready, beta? Devansh? Some network problem, Devansh? I've already unmuted you. Anyways, let's try
Ma'am,
it out.
hello. Ma'am, my voice is audible to you?
Yes, you are audible. Speak, beta. Of course, dear, you are audible, Devansh. Speak. Anyways, let's move on to another child by the time Devansh is ready. Drishti, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Drishti, please give the first paragraph.
Ma'am, we'll write it like this. That
Yes, ma'am.
kindly,
Now,
Okay, after Drishti, you can speak, Devansh. Drishti,
okay,
continue.
ma'am.
we'll write like kindly refer to a above order which was dated 9 September 2020 for various sport equipments in which the last date of delivery was 30th September, 2020.
Excellent, excellent. So she's given us the details in the first paragraph. Let's have Devansh now. Devansh, please speak out. Devansh, now you can speak. You already unmuted. Speak, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this paragraph or next paragraph?
First paragraph only. Again.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we will write that we have placed an order on 7 March 2019.
Okay.
And
Any brand company it is? Devansh?
Yes,
2019
ma'am.
में order करा था बेटा, एक साल से ज्यादा हो गया given you and you're still waiting. What a good customer you are. My God, I'm impressed. मार्च 2019 में ऑर्डर करा था, अक्टूबर 2020 आ गया, 1.5 year वेट कर रहे हो. You are a very good boy. चलो कंटिन्यू.
And the last date was 9 October 2020, and till now the order has not been reached to us. So we are now to canceling the order.
बेटा लास्ट डेट नहीं बोलते, द डेट टू बी, द फाइनल डेट टू बी डिलीवर्ड वाज दिस एंड दिस. ओके, एंड इतना गैप नहीं
Okay.
रख. डोंट कीप अ गैप ऑफ 1.5 year. मैक्सिमम यू कीप अ गैप ऑफ 1 month or 1.5 month. Do not give them so much of gap, otherwise so they'll have a good time, they will not deliver only if you're giving them so much time. So much of time
Okay.
you don't give them, give them less time.
Okay.
Harshita, good morning.
Okay.
Very good. Devansh. Harshita, good morning. Network problem here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Harshita,
Good
they
morning,
have
ma'am.
already given me, good morning, dear, good morning. They've already given me the first paragraph. See, this is what they told me. We should have started like this. We regret that we have not received the sports codes ordered. Purchase order number this date. And now you need to tell them the reason why you're canceling. We had ordered some sports goods and now we want to cancel. Harshita, frame the second paragraph. Others also be ready. I'll ask anyone. Frame the second paragraph where you will give the reason why you're canceling the sports goods that you had ordered. Of course, the date, that part is already mentioned that they're late on delivery. And why you cannot wait anymore. That is what you need to tell them. Start, beta.
Ma'am, we can write like as the new term of the new session has started in the school, and we need the sports equipments as early as possible, and we are not getting the supply, so we are canceling the order. And
Okay.
the students are also facing problems as they are not getting complete equipment and they are getting injuries.
Very good. She's right when she says this, but the students are suffering from injuries because the sports equipment have not yet come. Too good. Let us see
Yes, ma'am.
if Lakshita would like to add on something to this. Lakshita, how would you frame this paragraph, beta? Lakshita, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Beta, bolo.
Yes, ma'am. We write as the new term of the school has already started, we are constrained to cancel the above order as you did not comply with the delivery date and also have not informed us when you expect the sports equipment to be delivered.
Okay, when you've not even informed us that when you will deliver and you have not even delivered it on the due date. So that is the reason you want to cancel it. That is what Lakshita has said. And she has said this very nicely. So let's move on to the next child, Mansi. Mansi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Beta, that day I told you people something very important which has to be written before we close the sentence. Do you remember that sentence, Mansi?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the sentence.
Kindly acknowledge receipts of this letter.
Excellent. Kindly acknowledge the receipt of this letter. The reason being is tomorrow they will send the goods. They say we have not received this letter. You did not cancel. So please mention that kindly acknowledge the receipt of this letter. Okay, children. Anybody here, anybody who is not confident, in doing these kind of letters, please raise your hands. I'm asking about the cancellation order wala letter. Anybody has any doubts, any queries? Because Monday we are going to start with the assessment kind of a thing. I've already told you. Randomly, please be ready with a paper or a pen, or if you can write on your computers or laptops, then you can type also. It's entirely your choice. So please be ready on Monday with this. Anyone has any doubts? No? The second type of letter which I'll be taking a test would be placing orders. I told you two types of letters I'll be taking a test. Number one is cancelling orders. Number two is placing orders. I'm leaving this letter on the screen for 2 minutes. Everybody, please see this letter. This is placing orders. This one. As the new session of the school is going to start next month. Read this letter very carefully, how introduction is done. how this table is made for ordering things, what is the next paragraph, what is the next paragraph, and how do you close. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes, children. Please scan this in your minds and then be ready for my questions. Monday, again, as I told you, you need to give your test. 2 to 3 minutes. This is the second time. I'll be taking test of 2 types of letters. One I've already discussed. This is the second type of letters. Now we are going to have an open session, children. Open session in a sense that you can ask questions, the others will be able to answer. Okay, never mind. Let's start now. Those who are confident answering questions, please raise your hands. Okay, Uditi is already confident. Mansi is confident. Let me start asking the person who's raised first. Utkarsh Yadav. Utkarsh, give a situation. What do you want to order, place order for? Please be quick.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. That's why I raised the hand.
Acha, speak out, beta. Speak.
Ma'am, after dear sir, we can write below the sir.
No. First of all, I would suggest you do not write dear sir. Just write sir or madam. But even if you write dear sir, you should start immediately below D of dear. बिल्कुल भी space नहीं छोड़ना है. You have to stick to the left margin. पहले वो it was an old pattern कि 2 fingers or 3 fingers छोड़ के we used to start writing. That is out now. The new rule says extreme left. Stick to the margin. बिल्कुल space नहीं छोड़ना है. If you're writing dear sir, then your sentence should start immediately बिल्कुल नीचे D. Just below D it should start beta. Okay. Now we have Uditi also raising hand. I don't know if she has a doubt or she wants to ask. Uditi, do you have a doubt or you want to, or you're ready?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Speak beta.
Ma'am, where all do we have to leave the lines?
Beta, leave the lines when it comes to see, when you write the own address first, 2 lines you will consume for your own address, yes or no? Then you can leave a line and write the date. Then leave 1 line and write the address of the person to whom you're writing. And then finally leave a line and write the subject. And then sir. After that, there is no need to leave any lines anywhere. Once you start writing a paragraph, I mean this letter, please do not leave any lines. So lines can be left where? After you write your own address, when you write your own address, you will use 2 lines. Then leave 1 line. Then what do you need to write next is the subject, and then 1 line, and then simply start with sir. Do not leave any lines, children, when you're writing the letter. And after you finish writing, then you simply leave 1 line and write thanking you. And then simply whoever is writing. Here I would suggest again in business letters, when you write yours sincerely, do not leave any lines over here. There is no need to leave any lines. You can simply start. As it is, there is no deduction in marks for lines and all. So don't bother about that part much, dear. Anshika Singh, do you have any doubts? Please ask your doubt. Monday I'll be taking an assessment.
No, ma'am.
No doubts?
No doubt. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. By the time you frame a situation, I'll be coming back to you, Anshika, that what order has to be placed, what things we need to buy. Let me ask Pragya if she has a doubt. Pragya, you have some doubts?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was asking what is NOS?
NOS means numbers. How many in number? 5 in number, 6 in number. That is what NOS. Where did you read this word NOS? Here? Where is this NOS in this letter? Please let me know. Where is it? Normally NOS is a short form of numbers, but I don't know. I cannot see this in this letter anywhere. But NOS means numbers. We have, yes, Pragya? Anything else?
Ma'am, it's in the same letter. Ma'am, see the quantity 10 NOS, 10 NOS, 6 NOS.
That is numbers. It is numbers. I would say avoid this. If you have put the heading quantity, then just write 10, 6, 6. No need to write numbers. NOS, that is not needed. NOS is a short form of numbers. There is no need to write this. Avoid writing this. Because on the top, you've already written quantity. So do not write it again. There is no need to write this. Mansi, do you have any doubts? First, clear your doubts, children, because Monday I'll take a short test. And I'll select any 10 students. Mansi, ask.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, she's ready to answer that. Priya?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to ask something or you're ready?
I'm ready. No doubts.
Okay. Only those hands to be raised who have a doubt, because then I get confused whether you're ready or you have a doubt. Please, only those hands to be raised who have doubts. Others, please put your hands down. Only those children who have a doubt, please raise your hands, because I want to start discussing this later now. Yes, Ritul?
Ma'am, after writing every paragraph, we have to leave line.
No, dear, no. I just told you, once you start writing a letter, don't leave a line. It's only when you make this box, after the first paragraph, you can leave a line so that your box looks neat. Otherwise, after every paragraph, if you leave a line, it becomes very unorganized. Once you start writing, do not leave lines. If you have any such confusions, children, on a paper pen, we can do the assessment on Monday. There is no issue. After Ritul is done, I think the last doubt is with Devansh. Then Anshika, we are coming back to you. Yes, Devansh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am asking that in first paragraph we can write that why we are cancelling.
बेटा अभी तो हम ऑर्डर प्लेस कर रहे हैं, कैंसिल नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Ma'am, cancelling order I have a doubt on it.
No. Lot of confusions हो जाएगा. First paragraph, just tell them what order number, when the पहले order number बताओ, when the order was done and when was the expected delivery date. Okay?
Okay.
Then move on to the second paragraph. Let them also relate कि कौन लिख रहा है, who is writing about this. So be very systematic. अगर आप कुछ भी कभी भी करोगे, then you will never have a fixed format of your letters. I want that there should be a mind map. You should know immediately कि ये letter लिखना है, first paragraph में this is to be written, second में this is to be written. So this should be very clear in everybody's mind. Anshika, are you ready with the topic? Yes,
Yes,
give.
ma'am.
Give.
Ma'am, I have to give a question.
You want to, I mean, we need to write a letter to place orders. So what should we buy?
Okay. Ma'am, we can go for anything, for books, for sports
Anything?
item.
Sports items you want to go for. Okay, sports items. Start ordering, children. Raise your hand.
Oh,
What
ma'am.
you want to
Ma'am,
order?
for furniture required for school.
Well done. School furniture is what we are going to order. Raise your hands. What you want to order quickly, one by one. Utkarsh wants to order something. Utkarsh, what you want to order?
Ma'am, chairs. 10
How
chairs.
many? 10
10
chairs. Any specific wood you want to mention? Teak, sal, or normal chairs? कुछ भी चलेगा. What do you want?
कुछ भी चलेगा. Normal chairs.
कुछ भी चलेगा. Okay, so he does not want to make the fourth column. Just chairs. Student chairs or teachers chairs? At least he to specify teachers chairs. How many in number?
10.
Pragya, order next. 10 teachers chairs we have. Pragya, next. Order.
Yes, ma'am. Few green boards. Not few. 5 green boards.
5 green boards. Very good. Be very specific. Otherwise, they'll keep guessing. Mansi, order.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else wants to order? Raise your hand. What, beta? Only 10 students chairs. Okay, fine. Anshika, what do you want to order?
Bulletin boards.
Bulletin boards. How many? But please keep specifying the numbers.
6 in number with
6 in number.
red and green velvet.
Very good. She has specified also. Ritul, order.
Ma'am, 5 tables.
Which tables? Students tables, teachers tables?
Teachers table. Teachers table 5.
Teachers table 5. Very good. Priya Gangwar, order.
Ma'am, whiteboards 10.
10 whiteboards. Excellent. But then mention the size, huh? Agar aise, if you're ordering boards, then mention the size also. Devansh, order.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 10 lecture stand of sal wood.
Okay, he has specified the wood now and the number is 10. Very good. Pragya also wants to order. Pragya, order.
Ma'am, I have ordered.
Achha, your hand was raised, so I thought kuch aur you want to order more.
No,
Anyways,
okay. I
children,
have to lower my hand. Okay. Yeah.
Beta, I hope the format is okay with everybody. This is how we are going to write. Be very clear about certain instructions that we are going to have a short assessment on Monday. Randomly, I'll select you, but assessment does not mean कि कहीं marks जा रहे हैं. It is basically that I want to test you people that you have understood or not.